We are back with more mystery pins, and we got 2 boxes of 50th anniversary. We're gonna blindly open these up on camera so you can see at the same time that we do what we got. You ready, Tia?
Yes.
All right. Mystery pin number 1. What I like about these is they've got a little notch where you can just rip them right open.
He's a pigman.
The very first one. Oh my God. I don't even know what to say right now. Like, I've got my Figment crap on right now. Magic band. Figment is my spirit animal. And that's the first pin we got. I'm so excited. I finally have my Figment pin.
He's so excited.
All right. Do you guys enjoy opening up mystery pins?
We're not done.
Oh, that's right. We got 3 more to open. All right. Mystery pin number 2. What do we got?
This dude.
Oh, we got him again. We already have him, so that's kind of a letdown, but I like him. He's cool. All right, on to the second box of mystery pins.
Oh, there's only 2 in each of those?
Mm-hmm. Mystery box number 2, pin number 1. Are you kidding me? All right, well, now this is getting a little ridiculous. We got SMRT 1 again. All right, this one better not be the same one.
It's another Figment.
But I got Figment finally. I got 2 Figments. I could put these all over my room.
Do you collect pins here at Walt Disney World Resort? Do you like specific pins? Do you like the mystery pin sets? Let us know in the comments below what you collect. And remember, until next time.
No capes. Let's not drop that in the water.
You might would dive in to get it.
I would. Wow. Just
Wow.
No capes.